welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So it is Saturday and I am getting ready to head to brunch with some friends. I don't know how much recording at brunch that I'll be able to do, because I'm gonna be with some new people that I don't really film with or whatever. So I don't want to invade their privacy by having my camera and constantly recording. So I will get what I can for you guys, but I am going to be spending this Saturday doing some ripping and running. I want to do brunch. I want to get my car washed, and then I need to go to Trader Joe's and pick up some things. Then tonight I have this event with Nike, and then I also in between time I want to try to finish up some laundry. I wash some clothes, so I have some clothes that's waiting on me to be folded. Y'all know how that go. So I'm getting ready to go do that. I'm gonna do that, try to do that too. I'm trying to get myself on a good cleaning routine. I feel like I kind of just let shit pile up, and then here we go, I need to clean up. So I'm trying to find a good cleaning schedule that I really want to start doing throughout the week. So Sunday I have a test, Monday I have a test, Tuesday I have a test, and so forth. So that way, the house can stay on pop-up ready, because if you're ready, you don't have to get ready. Okay. Last night, me and baby did our movie night. We went to go see Snow White, and I don't know why I didn't take a nap, because our movie was at 10 o'clock. And child, an hour into the movie, I'm yawning, I'm tired, child. I done fell asleep, so I have no clue what happened in the movie. I feel like this one was okay. It wasn't doing enough to keep my attention per se. So I just thought the Snow White live action was alright. If you've seen the movie, let me know in the comments what did you think about the movie. So I do want to hype myself up a little bit, y'all. I started my fitness journey. I got here, was lifing, and I got to be I'm the biggest that I've ever been, and I don't like it. My clothes don't really fit that well. I refuse to buy bigger clothes because I know I'm going to lose some weight, so I just don't want to waste money on buying clothes. So I'm proud of myself. I went to Pilates 4 times this week. Today is rest day because I'm meeting up for brunch at 12. So I want to kind of sleep in a little bit. I didn't want to have to wake up early just to work out. And I already worked out 4 times this week, so I give my body just a little bit of break. So tomorrow I am gonna get up though and do a workout. I have a Favs subscription for a home workout, so I am gonna get up and do that tomorrow. Before I go, my cousin, she's having surgery for her breast cancer soon. And she wanted to go out and do something before she had her surgery. So tomorrow we're going to go and link up at 2 o'clock and grab some late brunch lunch tomorrow. So that's at 2 o'clock. So I'll have plenty of time to get up, get a good workout in, and meet her for brunch. Because I want to stay on... Why do I look dark? I don't know why I'm looking dark, y'all. But I just want to stay on top of my workouts and getting my workouts done, getting into shape. I know it's starting to get hot now. The first day of spring was a couple of days ago. So it's starting to get warm here in Atlanta. So I want to go ahead and get myself together. So I've been working on trying to do intermittent fasting. So start eating at 11 or 12, and then my cutoff time is 8 o'clock. And then in conjunction with that, I am doing smaller portion sizes. If I get a plate in front of me, then I just fix my plate how I normally would fix my plate, and then only eat half of the meal. I'm learning how to when my body feels satisfied to go ahead and just stop eating instead of I want to continue to eat because either A, I want to eat all my food, or B, the food is just so good I just want to keep eating it, and then I'm full and I'm stuffed. Like, I gotta get back to like my smaller portions, because that's really gonna help me. I don't eat a lot of vegetables, so it's hard for me to really eat clean. So portion sizes really help me with my, what? You don't have no signal on or anything. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, it's the car in front of you. Okay. But staying on track of my portion sizes really is going to help me. It's what helped me in the past to stay fit and small and not gain weight from eating. It's just doing portion control. And then I've been trying to up my protein. I'm just trying to get more protein in my system. I'm trying to get to where I'm eating 100 grams of protein every day. It's a lot. Like, you know, a lot of misconceptions about losing weight is eating less, but it's really about what you eat and eating more. Like, eating more small meals, it boosts your metabolism, so your metabolism helps you not to retain like fat and stuff. So yeah, but it's getting a little crazy out here with the driving, so I am going to try to like focus on driving, and then I will tap back in with y'all a little bit later.
Baby, don't whine on your seat, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make me feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1,000,000. People just they watch you like a cinema. And band the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Trusted, approved and trusted. Trusted, approved and trusted. Oh, please believe. Trusted, approved and trusted. Trusted, approved and trusted. In the middle of all of these beautiful girls in the world where they dance on the floor, I said I'm mine and not to blend them. Me, I just want some before the center. Baby, I rate your waistline. Roll it down, no slow down, just bring them to me now, stop me now, no teasing, hey. Baby, don't whine when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1,000,000. People just they watch you like a cinema. And band the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. One jazzy, the way you do fantastic. Have to put on glasses, make you no blind me with this your body. When I see you whining for the wall, make me want to turn into the wall. Make me feel like we know they for real life. Everything nice where you are. Baby, don't whine when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make me feel like carnival. I go lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1,000,000. People just they watch you like a cinema. And band the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Trusted, approved and trusted. Trusted, approved and trusted. Oh, please believe. Trusted, approved and trusted. Trusted, approved and trusted. Baby, don't whine when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make me feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1,000,000. People just they watch you like a cinema. And band the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me.
Bounce we go, bounce we go, bounce we go.
Todd, can you play that again?
I was alone when I was with you. I would have given myself for you. Now I'm changing over, I'm moving on now. Not turning back, I can't be with you. I don't need you looking for me. All you did was give me nothing all night. Overthinking it all night. starting